canvas can be as wide as possible, my depth could be as deep as possible. And the real reason is Mr. Ashwath Narayan. He would not ask me whether I should accept the invitation. He would tell me I should be here. He is my president too, and therefore I should obey him. Friends, we all know the importance of water now.